Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and join Discord servers. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So there are two ways that you can actually go ahead and join a Discord server. So the first way is by someone sending you an invitation link, and once they send you an invitation link, you can simply click on that and you're going to be in the server. However, if you're looking for a new server or just exploring servers, meeting new people, all you need to do is just click on add a server, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on join a server. And once you've done that, as you can see, when you don't have an invite, just click on this and you're going to be on this page right over here where you can choose between gaming, music, entertainment, science, tech, education, and many more. So that is about it. You can simply go ahead and find one and just click on it, and there you go. Just click on join OBS community right there and you'll be in their server. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.